Subscribe and press the bell icon to enjoy more exciting and enlightening videos from Dheya.
So, welcome to the Masterpieces series, everyone. Thank you so much for joining us today. We have a special guest with us, our dear mentor, Mr. Alok Tiwari, sir. So, thank you so much for joining us today. How are you doing today, sir?
Thank you. Doing well. How are you?
Great, sir. Thank you so much. Can you walk us through your career journey?
Basically, I can say it's interesting for me also, and I think those who are in career mentoring or for parents and also because my father he was a teacher and he was used to transfer every 3 year. So every time I just changed my school. So 10th was up to 9th I was in Jharkhand board. Then 10th suddenly jumped to CBSE board from Hindi medium to English medium. So from a 10th completed, then again 12 I went to hostel, and then in 12 I was fail in chemistry. Though I got 88% marks, but I was fail in chemistry. Theory I was fail. Practical I got 30 marks. Later
Okay.
again due to family pressure, not family pressure, but society pressure, I was just going to so I can pass in chemistry. So I taken BSc chemistry. But unfortunately, within 6 months, I realized chemistry is not for me. So my parents he allowed me to switch wherever you want to go. So I switched to economics. And then I didn't send back. So it's gone because when I took economics, then I realized in Bihar board there was system either you have to choose advanced math or economics. So I have taken in ninth class economics. So after 6 year or one failure, I realized economics was for me. That's continued my journey, and after then I joined. After PG, I joined government organization. Then I resigned. Then again joined in World Bank. Again after 1 year, I left that. Then I joined XLRI. Then after I didn't join anywhere. I am doing my own. And in between, I used to go to schools and college just for organizing what you can do after 10th, plus two, or subject wise. So this make me very interesting towards this career counseling and all things.
What inspired you to become a mentor?
So three things. When I was in graduation, the final year I got selected. I cleared my UPSC for CDS examination, not IS IPS. So when I went for the SSB interview, so two times I went, and first day they out me. Third times I was 7 days there. When they told you are not fit for army, so I just gone and asked to the commanding officer who was the in charge for the complete SSB. So he shown me the my complete profile, and he told me three times you attended. This was your third time, and every time it's common thing is coming. You are not suitable for the any uniform services, and it's not because you are physically unfit. Mentally, you are for the social cause. Either you go and be a teacher, mentor, politician, like that things. So you are not for the complete disciplined manner. So every time you will be changing, or as per demand of society, you will change. And we need one person who will be complete discipline according to army. You have to go. So that time it strikes. If anyone could have told me you are not for the army, so I could have tried different things. And that day only it's strike me if I can suggest youth in 10th or before that also, and even guardians, which kind of your child is. So it will be better. That was turning point for me to be a counselor, mentor, like that things.
How the AI is going to change perspective towards career mentoring?
Basically, three, four things. What when I joined with the Dheya, I realized you are not working only for the student, or not going to do only psychometric and going to tell you should do like this. It's a complete holistic process where you are involving guardians also, their economic perspectives, everything you are taking care of, and it's long. Just you are not suggesting, you are just it's hand holding type of things. That's attract me most because I can say I seen all of the companies and all things. I can not say any name, but we are not here for just taking psychometric and providing that you should go for engineering, like that thing. That will not make any sense. So complete hand holding is most suitable things for the career counseling, and that Dheya is doing. So all ecosystem, one side use students, school, guardian, society, and then industry. So taking care of all things, then only we can say it's better mentoring can be done and the student can flourish their career and life. That was the most uh, thing which attracts me towards Dheya.
Can you give our viewers a message or to build their child's career better?
Basically, for me, as per me, they should take care of three, four things. One, let them flourish their children. Whatever they want to do, let them do their at own. Don't just put every time do like this, that. Just suggest them and tell them it's your choice. You do whatever you can do. So this will bring them natural talent, and guardians should just be a mentor like that things. And if many times we have seen the, since if guardian he can't become the doctor, so he want to see his child as a doctor, so that's not good. If you want to like do that thing, so that should be prepared from early. If you are from of class 4 5, if he is teaching biology and like that thing, so he may develop interest and he can be a doctor, but it should be completely natural way that will bring. And even either is guardian or students also they respect their guardian, because guardian if he is giving pressure, it's not because he want every time as per his dream. He want to settle his child early. That's guardian's perspective. So both they have to come together, they have to talk, and if there is any differences, so we are here, we will be there for them. So this is the way we can get more of the students.
Thank you so much for taking your precious time out and talking to us for the masterpieces. Thank you so much, sir.